Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a simple hologram effect using InShot video editor. Okay, first of all, make sure that you have already installed InShot application on your mobile phone, and you can open up the InShot application and create new project, and then you're going to upload your video, so you can click on new, and I'm going to use one of the videos from my gallery. For example, this one, guys, and I'm going to add my second video. It's a screen recorded video. Go to PIP to add the video as an overlay, and then I'm going to add this video, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in like this, and then we're going to blend this video with the first video, so we can go to the blend menu, and I'm going to choose multiply, so it will be like this, and we're going to add keyframe to create pop-up effect. Wait, I'm going to add first keyframe here, and for the first position I'm going to make it super small. Oops, I'm going to place it here nearby the phone, and then we're going to move it here and add keyframe, and for the second keyframe I'm going to drag the video right here and zoom in, and then let's play it. Oops, it's too slow, so I'm going to move the keyframe here. Okay, and we can make it faster, so we can adjust the keyframe. Okay, and let's play it. Okay, I think I need to make it faster. Let's move here, and okay, I think it's already fast. Okay, like this. And yeah, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. You can zoom in or zoom out according to your needs, and you can place this this recorded video on the clear part of your video. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. I hope this video helpful for you.